Think it smells good, honey?
Yeah, I do. It smells very good.
Now this step is merely for color. It doesn't have to be cooked thoroughly on the inside because it's going to cook once we add our garlic butter sauce. So about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. So meatballs are out. I'm going to add in 3/4 cups of heavy whipping cream. A cup of Parmesan cheese shredded. 3/4 cups butter. Just a pinch of salt. And let that cook. Now that our sauce is bubbling, we're going to add back our meatballs, put it on low-medium heat, and let it simmer until the meatballs are fully cooked.
All right, it's time to check on them turkey dogs.
Get turkey meatballs. This is about 7 minutes after we put them in. They look good. What do you think, another minute?
Yeah, let's add a little bit of this Parmesan cheese.
Sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on that baby. A little more. We're going to turn it off, let the sauce continue to thicken, and then we're going to put it over a plate of cauliflower rice. We're done. Our cauliflower is cooked. All I added was seasoning and a little butter to that. We're going to plate them up. Oh, yummy. Smells delicious. You think it smells good, honey?
Yeah, I do. It smells very good.